Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just gonna quickly walk you through the process of how I made today's daily design. Let's jump right into it. I started off with grabbing the polygonal lasso tool and making this kind of pop arty shape or comic book shape, and added a solid color with that selection as a mask. Not sure why I did this. Keep in mind, I'm figuring things out as I go with these daily designs, so sometimes I do some weird stuff. I added basically a drop shadow and added some text. Then I got this image of this mouth. I got it from pexels.com and added a curves adjustment and made this little zigzag pattern to get this sort of like chromey look as well. And then on top of that, a threshold effect. I then converted those into a smart object because I wanted to go ahead and use the filter gallery, and I added a half-tone pattern to that. So I basically turned the drop shadow I added at the beginning into a stroke, and then converted that into a smart object as well, and added a ripple effect. Added a stroke to my text as well, made everything a little bit bigger, and then converted all my layers into a smart object. I then made 4 rectangles and filled them in with gradients. The plan for this was to create all the textures I needed on the go, so I didn't use any pre-made ones. I'm here making my own little paper texture, so that's what I'm doing with these 4 rectangles, and I'm trying to figure out the right positioning of them. When I'm happy with that, I convert all 4 rectangles into a smart object and change the blending mode of the paper to what fits your artwork best. I then add a white color fill and add the texturizer, made sure my texture was set to canvas, and play around with the lighting of it, and then change the blending mode. That way you can kind of get that papery effect. Lastly, just added a gradient map on top of everything if I wanted any color variations of the piece I made. So just played around with the colors and ended up with these 4 variants. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go check out my Instagram for daily posts and short tutorials. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.